21 CFR Part 111, Subpart C, Physical Plant and Grounds. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service LLC. Content: Introduction, General Requirements, Grounds, Facility Design, Cleanliness, Pest Control, Equipment and Utensils, Cleaning and Sanitizing. Responsibilities under Subpart C. Importance of Subpart C. Introduction. Subpart C of 21 CFR Part 111 focuses on the physical environment where dietary supplements are manufactured, packaged, labeled, or held. The goal is to establish standards for the design, maintenance, and cleanliness of facilities to prevent contamination and ensure the quality of dietary supplements. General Requirements, Section 111.15. Facilities must be suitable for their intended purpose and maintained in a clean and orderly condition. The design and maintenance of the physical plant and grounds must ensure that the dietary supplements are not contaminated or adulterated. Grounds, Section 111.15a. Maintenance of grounds. The grounds around the facility must be kept clean and free from conditions that could lead to contamination. Examples include proper disposal of waste, adequate drainage to prevent water accumulation, effective pest control measures to prevent infestations, preventative measures, properly maintain roads, parking lots, and waste disposal areas to minimize contamination risks. Facility Design, Section 111.15b. Construction and Layout. The facility must be designed to facilitate cleaning, maintenance, and proper operations. The layout should prevent cross-contamination between different manufacturing areas. Separation of operations. Areas for manufacturing, packaging, labeling, and storage must be separated from areas where contamination could occur, for examples, restrooms, break rooms, or chemical storage areas. Cleanliness, Section 111.15c. Sanitation. The facility must be kept clean and in good repair. Cleaning procedures must be in place to prevent contamination of equipment, raw materials, and dietary supplements. Water supply. A reliable supply of potable water must be available for use in manufacturing, cleaning, and hygiene purposes. Plumbing. Plumbing must be installed and maintained to avoid contamination of water supplies, equipment, and dietary supplements. Proper drainage and sewage systems are required to prevent backflow and contamination. Ventilation. Adequate ventilation systems must be in place to control air quality and prevent dust, fumes, or vapors that could contaminate the product. Pest Control, Section 111.15d. Facilities must have measures in place to prevent pests from entering or contaminating the facility. Pest control procedures should not expose raw materials, packaging, or dietary supplements to harmful chemicals or other contaminants. Equipment and Utensils, Section 111.15e. Equipment and utensils used in manufacturing must be properly designed and maintained to prevent contamination. Storage and maintenance of equipment must not pose a risk to dietary supplements. Cleaning and Sanitizing, Section 111.15f. Cleaning and sanitizing agents must be safe and effective for their intended use. Procedures for cleaning and sanitizing equipment, utensils, and surfaces must be documented and consistently followed. Cleaning schedules should be implemented based on the nature of operations and contamination risks. Responsibilities under Subpart C. Dietary supplement manufacturers must ensure facilities are designed, maintained, and operated to prevent contamination. Keep all physical areas clean, organized, and in good repair. Implement proper waste management and pest control measures. Document procedures for cleaning, sanitizing, and maintaining facilities. Importance of Subpart C. Establishes a clean and organized environment to minimize contamination risks. Ensures compliance with CGMP standards to protect the safety and quality of dietary supplements. Promotes consumer confidence in the manufacturing process. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.